Wix versus Spocket, which offers better supplier integration for dropshipping. Let's dive into both and see which one really takes the lead when it comes to supplier integration for dropshipping, and stick around until the end because you might be surprised at the conclusion. When it comes to dropshipping, integrating suppliers efficiently can be the difference between smooth sailing and constant headaches. Wix and Spocket both provide solutions for this, but they cater to different types of users and their integrations differ in key ways. So, who does it better? Let's start with Wix. Wix is often praised for being an easy-to-use website builder, but how does it handle supplier integration? Wix offers a feature called Wix Dropshipping, where you can connect to suppliers directly from their marketplace. It integrates with platforms like Modelist and Spocket itself, so there's some flexibility there. But here's the catch: while it's user-friendly, it doesn't have the most extensive list of suppliers compared to dedicated dropshipping platforms. You can connect to suppliers, but the search and filtering tools aren't as robust, making it harder to find exactly what you're looking for unless you dig deep. Next thing to consider is the flexibility of supplier options. Wix offers some control over product pricing and inventory management, but it feels a bit restricted compared to Spocket. Wix suppliers are more limited, especially when you want global options or specific niches. And while Wix does allow you to sync inventory, it's not as seamless as you might hope, with occasional syncing delays and the need for manual adjustments. This could be an issue for those scaling up quickly. Now, let's move on to Spocket, which is designed specifically for dropshipping. Spocket stands out by offering suppliers mainly from the US and EU, making it a great choice if you're targeting a market in those regions. The integration with platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce is smooth, but its Wix integration isn't as refined. You get a much larger variety of suppliers, many of whom offer products with faster shipping times, which can be a huge advantage over other platforms. The third thing worth noting is the ease of use and speed. Spocket's user interface is much more focused on dropshipping, allowing you to filter suppliers based on categories, shipping times, and location. This is a key feature that Wix simply can't match, especially if you're trying to target specific niches or offer your customers faster shipping. Spocket's real-time inventory sync is also much more reliable than Wix's, reducing the risk of overselling. However, Spocket isn't perfect either. While it offers a more robust supplier network, the pricing structure can be a little on the higher side. You get a lot of value for what you pay for, but if you're working with a tight margin, it might not be the most cost-effective option. Plus, its integration with Wix is still not as polished as with Shopify or WooCommerce, so you'll face some limitations if you're committed to Wix as your platform. The fourth thing to discuss is scalability. Spocket is built with growth in mind, offering features that let you scale your business more easily, such as automated order fulfillment and bulk importing. Wix can handle scaling, but you might hit some bumps as your business grows. Wix's dropshipping features are solid for beginners or smaller shops, but tend to fall short as you expand your operations. So, let's wrap this up. Wix versus Spocket. Which one offers better supplier integration for dropshipping? If you're just starting and want a simple, easy-to-use platform, Wix might be a good option, especially if you're planning to integrate with platforms like Spocket. However, if you're looking for something more tailored to dropshipping, with better supplier options, faster shipping, and easier scalability, Spocket takes the lead. That said, while both Wix and Spocket are solid platforms for what they offer, after trying both, I found a better alternative for dropshipping supplier integration that does everything a little bit better. If you want to discover this alternative, take advantage of the free trial in the first link in the description. Through this link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, check it out and start scaling your dropshipping business the right way.